Good afternoon. My name is Tyler Fears, and today I will be doing a ping test using a couple of different tools to try to connect to a couple of websites to see what is the reaction time that I get for loading into these sites. Right now I'm on the website ping.eu, and it gives me the option to be able to input an IP address or a host name or website. And I will be using this first to compare it to my other tool. So I looked up YouTube earlier, and I'm gonna get it again to show you guys what the result will be. And it does a couple of tests, 4 tests that it did to make sure it gives me an average of how long it takes to get a reaction for the site. Took 19 milliseconds. Back and forth to get the reaction to get the data sent and received was 32.443. Well, 478. I will try another website. Facebook. See what I get for this. With this one, I got 15 with the average of 26.337. And I will try one more website. Let's try Google. And I got 15 for this one. So using my computer's tool to give me the same thing, I will put, for it to send only 5. The default that it gave me before is 10, but I'm only gonna try to shoot for 5 pings to send. And I will try youtube.com again. And with 5 transmit, the round trip for getting and for sending and receiving was 23.855, which was a minimum. The average is 25.670, and the max is 27.439. When I try, that's a little higher than what I got from ping.eu. And when I try facebook.com, this is around the same average that I got from ping.eu, 16.991. I think it was a little higher. I think I got 15 from ping with an average of 18.657 and a max of 21.580. And then trying Google. And with this one, I got a higher ping. Again, the minimum being 24.661, the average being 31.722, and the max being 55.566. And with finding this, I was able to find about using this on my computer from the link within the assignment that sent me to iGeeks blog. I didn't even know I had this tool on my computer to be able to look to be able to test this out. And I see that it's pretty useful also. Also, I can be able to test my ping within my terminal, which is like the command prompt on Windows computers. And within that, it tells me to just type ping, and then we'll put google.com, and it tests that for me with how many pings it sends: 12, 13, 14, 15, all within a pretty good average of between 25 and 30, 103 being the highest. I think this goes for like an unlimited amount of times until I stop it. Oh shoot. But compared to what I get from the tool for my computer, they all average out to be the same, and it's pretty useful. And that is all.